Good morning, all of you. Pandemic precautions we have taken here. The camera is far away from us, and we have taken that particular normal subject, Amul Mali, and myself, Pandian. So now, because of lecture, we are going to remove the mask with the safety measurement. Please do wear mask whenever you are going outside. And now we'll start with our practical session. Today our practical session is color vision. So what is the competency number for that? The competency number for this particular chapter is 10.17 and 10.20. So the color sense is the ability of the eye to distinguish the light of different wavelength, that is the color. Theory part I have covered. This particular video only for practical purpose. So herewith we will going to start our practical. So what is the requirement? What are the material or apparatus we require? First is the subject or the patient. Next is, this is the particular apparatus known as Adrian's green lantern light. Okay, there is the labeling behind it, only that examiner can able to see. You can see that there is a label. First the plate denoting what, second plate denoting what, followed by, you can see here, there are 5 plates. Each plate is what they given the label. So subject cannot able to see what is it. Only you can see which plate for what purpose. This is what Adrian green lantern light. Next what we are requiring, this is Ishihara chart. This is Ishihara chart. Here you are having the pathway, numbering, and you will see that later on in this lecture. And finally we are having cotton wool different shade. Okay, like this. Here you can see the prominent color or the primary colors, that is red, green, blue, even peach color also we kept to make the subject, to pick the color. So when it is required, where it is required, when you are going to do that acuity of vision, that is the primary procedure. After that we are going to do this particular practical, that is color vision. So what is the procedure? Procedure is nothing. For this Adrian's green lantern, first we want to keep the subject in a different distance. Likewise we will make them to 6 meter. Okay, from the 6 meter we want to turn on the light. Now the light is on. Here you can see, first we want to keep all the plate in the proper manner, which means open manner. Okay, I hope you can see the light source now, isn't it? So accordingly we can change the plate. Okay, so mostly they won't ask this because it's offline. Only thing is what they will ask you, how to record it and what is the name. This much you remember. Now the first plate is the aperture of the vision diameter. What is this aperture of vision diameter? Diameter is varies accordingly. You can see here, bigger, more bigger. If you turn that side, it is getting smaller. Second, third and fourth plate for different colors. Here you can see the different colors. Here you can go with, I will open this fully so that you can see clearly. Red color. Next is yellow color. Next is light yellow. Green color. Again you are getting different various colors you will get. That is the second, third, fourth plate. And fifth plate is for what? It is a climate. For example, mist, fog, rain. That season what kind of wavelength we are perceiving. That is what this. Now I have made the subject sit away from the particular lantern light The distance between the subject and that particular light is 6 meter. So from there the person going to perceive what kind of light source he perceived. Okay. Here in color vision we are not going to make them to close either right or left. Both eye open manner we are going to record this particular test. So what we are going to do, I am going to change the particular aperture, I am going to change the color, I am going to change the degree of the particular climate. For example, as I said earlier, rain, mist and fog. Okay, this much you remember regarding this. Distance between this particular apparatus and subject is 6 meter. Okay, then the person cannot able to perceive, reduce the distance. Okay, and what is the name of this? This is Edrin's green lantern light. Okay, this much you remember. Now I am going to turn off the light because it is getting heat up and we want to carefully lift and keep it aside. Now you can see here we are going to trace the path. So tell the subject backside of the pen they have to trace. Now the subject is not there, so I am showing you guys how to trace it. So like this you show once to the subject, then subject will trace in this side. You won't get the same. In this you see any path is there? There is no path. So subject, if there is a color blind, he cannot able to see the path or he can able to trace somehow. Okay. So there is no path at all. If the person is doing like this means you have to conclude there is a small defect is there in their vision. So again you can turn it, again make sure whether the person is colorblind or not, we want to trace it accordingly. Okay, this much only. This is Ishihara chart. Now you see I am going to tell the subject to trace the path. Trace kara dada. So you can see how he is tracing the path. Getting? Like this we have to tell the subject to trace. Again one more is there, let them trace. So that they will get the practice with the particular chart, that is Ishihara chart. Okay? Yes, he have traced the particular. Now you see no. Now we are going to make the subject little bit confused. Path hai ka dada?
No.
There is no path, he is saying. Okay, very good. Again you turn it and tell the subject to trace it. Now you see, trace kara dada. Ita trace kara.
No.
Hai ki ita dada. Bagun करायचं. कर ना. Okay. If the person is illiterated, we can do this. If numbering, if you want to check, numbering also there, you can see the numbering. He will pronounce, you also confirm it. Okay. See now, what is this dada?
5.
This is
7.
This is
16.
this is एक पण सांगतात तो. एक आहे
78 आहे.
It is what?
7.
This is what? Okay, 78 is saying. So we can check like this. Now you see any color is visible dada or any number is visible?
No.
No number is visible. So accordingly we want to check this test. Again I am repeating, don't make them either right or left eye closed. Both eyes should open for color test. Next test is what? Next test is wolf test. Okay. Now you see the wolf test. Okay. Now I am going to tell the subject to pick the particular color. That is a one method. Another method is what? Now I will pick, followed by he will match the particular color. We want to tell like this. Okay. Now you see I am going to shuffle this entire colors. Mistakenly there is a tape. I will remove this. Okay. Dada, me एक color pick करना. You just match it. Just first you start with the basic color. Match it dada. So he is matching it. So that color is not available. This is a one method. Another method is what? We are going to command it. You tell the color, he will pick. Pick the green color dada. Keep it here. red color, yellow color, blue color. That's it. Enough. This much you have to do. So this is how we we have to test color vision. So what is your observation? Observation is nothing, and lanterns, what is the color is perceived, what is the climate perceived, what is the diameter perceived, we want to report it. And Ishigara chart, the person able to trace the path, the person able to read the numbers. For that cotton wolf, he can able to pick the particular commanded colors, or we can able to make them to match the colors. This is the color vision test. So I hope you students are understood this very simple procedure. Easily you can score good marks. Thank you so much.